Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to go over 3 different news events that Yearn Finance has got. But before we proceed with the actual news, make sure you check out some links in the description of this video. If you want to see a Yearn Finance review I did, you can click the video there. And now, before we proceed, make sure you check out the links also to Bybit and Bitflex below this video. So let's just proceed with actual news. Yearn Finance integrates with Polygon. Yearn Finance has recently integrated with Polygon, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. This integration will allow Yearn Finance users to earn higher yields on their assets while paying lower gas fees. Polygon is a layer 2 solution that uses a sidechain to process transactions. This means that Polygon transactions are not processed on the Ethereum mainnet, which makes them much cheaper and faster. The integration between Yearn Finance and Polygon is a major development for both platforms. It will allow Yearn Finance to offer its users lower fees and high yields, while helping Polygon to attract more users and liquidity. Yearn Finance launches a new yield aggregator. Yearn Finance has also launched a new yield aggregator called vaults. Vaults are automated investment strategies that optimize yields for users. Vaults are currently available for a variety of crypto assets including ETH, DAI, and USDC. Vaults are a great way for users to earn high yields on their assets without having to manually manage their investments. Vaults automatically move users' assets to the best yielding strategies available. This allows users to earn the highest possible yields without having to worry about the technical aspects of DeFi. The launch of Vaults is a major development for Yearn Finance. It makes it easier for users to earn high yields on their assets, and it helps to make Yearn Finance a more accessible platform for new users. Yearn Finance partners with 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE. Yearn Finance has partnered with 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE, a leading DeFi lending platform. This partnership will allow Yearn Finance users to earn high yields on their assets by lending them to 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE. 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE is a decentralized lending platform that allows users to lend and borrow crypto assets. 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE offers some of the highest interest rates available on the DeFi market, making it a great place to lend assets. Partnership between Yearn Finance and 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE is a major development for both platforms. It allows Yearn Finance to offer its users high yields on the assets, and it helps 𝐂𝐫𝐴VE to attract more liquidity. So in overall conclusion, Yearn Finance is one of the most popular DeFi platforms, and it's constantly innovating. The new developments that we have discussed in this video are just a few of the things that make Yearn Finance a great platform. Thanks for watching my video on the news on Yearn Finance. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates on any crypto news or Bitcoin related topics. I also have something really special for all of you that's following me. Check out the description for the latest news. Also, make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and then eventually you will learn. Have a great day. Take care.